What's up, YouTube? Got some more painting done. Got the hood, a little bit of wet sanding going on with it. Looks pretty good. A little bit of wet sanding it'd be pretty nice. It's got 3 coats of clear. Three coats of clear on it. Interior is still at the shop. It's going to be a camel. I don't know if it's vinyl, but it's not leather, but it looks like it's leather. I painted that fender. It's got 3 coats of clear on it. It looks pretty good. Shocked myself, it's not really orange peely at all. It'll wet sand out really nice. Getting a little dusty. Got the back glass ready. Got some boiler mufflers. Got the front glass ready. Side trim is on. What else here? Oh, here's your rear tire for you. It is 285/30 20s. They will be on the rear. 255/30, maybe 255/35 is going to be on the front. 20x8s and 20x10s is what we're expecting to run. Oh, and the bed is here. Been working on it. It's a mess. Going to weld the tailgate in. Made a roll pan. The latch is gone. Sealing these box ends up, that end. Don't like this patch here, so we ordered a new section for back here. But it's got a lot of work to do in the bed, but we'll make it nice. The welds are pretty rough. I need to come in here and finish welding. He said the welder started acting up and giving me problems, so I need to come in here and do that. But the wheel wells, they were widened 2 inches. The whole section was cut out and another strip was put in there. Same with this one. And the 429 is looking pretty nice in here. Looking pretty good. That's about all I got for now. It's coming along nicely. Color looks real good. Voodoo blue. Get this bed done. I gotta paint it. I got another trailer that I need to paint. One day I need to finish that. Oh, we also got, I don't know where they're at. I don't know where they're at back here, but we got some exhaust cutouts, some electric cutouts. Remote control electric exhaust cutouts. I don't know where they're at down here. I don't know. But anyhow, that's all I got for now, and I'll bring you more when we get something done. Thanks, guys.